To represent the Greenwell district, Yvonne is working closely with residents and community organizations in this rapidly growing area of Melbourne. Yvonne also serves in the Victorian government as Parliamentary Secretary for Disability and Parliamentary Secretary for Multicultural Affairs. We are very happy that he is among us here today. We feel very, very honored. And we will invite you who would like to address for 2 minutes. Please.
Oh no.
Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, and thank you very much for having me here today for this very special occasion. And can I thank those who have invited me and made this possible. To see hundreds of families gathered together in celebration of faith is truly special. And to the volunteers, to the sponsors, to those who provide us with devotional music, thank you for all of the contributions. These kinds of events are, I think, what make our community particularly special. At this time when a Hindu community, a Hare Krishna community gathering together to celebrate the birthday of Lord Rama, when many Muslims and Christians are coming together in celebration of their faith. It is, as we were discussing just earlier, mutual respect between communities of faith that is so important in Melbourne, in Victoria, and in Australia. And so I want to acknowledge the work in particular of the Hare Krishna community, that commitment to mutual respect, to dialogue between people of faith, to contribution to community, both within your own faith community, but much more broadly across the rest of society. Through that chanting and that prayer, you open your hearts to kindness, to peace, and to humility and love. And at a time when there is so much anger and hostility in the world, I think that freeing ourselves from that jealousy, from that anger and ego, and indeed opening ourselves up to a deeper sense of peace and purpose is so important. As Lord Krishna teaches in the Bhagavad Gita, one who is not envious but is a kind friend to all living entities is very dear to me. And that message of treating every person with dignity, with compassion and with respect is, as I say, one of the most profound foundations of a peaceful and prosperous society, such as we all appreciate here in Victoria. It resonates deeply with my own values, my own faith, fairness, inclusion, and the belief that every person deserves to be treated with dignity. And that is a cornerstone of my government's approach as well. At a time when there are too many people who ought to know better, who have positions of political office, who are seeking to divide, seeking to weaponize difference and weaponize faith, that is a point, and the message of the Hare Krishna community is and has been never more important. So I say to you, as people who are celebrating faith in Australia as proud Australians, you are welcome. Your contribution makes our society a better place and a stronger place. And that devotion that we are here to gather, that we have gathered today to celebrate and to observe, makes our community a stronger place. So again, thank you for the invitation. I wish you all a truly meaningful evening. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you for
Hey, Daksha's eyes kind of look like huh? Like his eyes. Yes. Bro, I'm not trying to say anything. Hey, hire him for new productions. Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Rama 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 Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna.